If you are getting a P0442 error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the OBD2 scanner to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0442. It means the evaporative emission system is now detected with a small leak, and it's normally between 0.02 to 0.04 inches in diameter. Common symptoms: illuminated check engine light, the most common primary indicator that your onboard computer has detected a leak. Fuel smell, a noticeable odor of raw gasoline near your vehicle, especially outside the fuel filler or inside the cabin after filling up. Failed emissions test, your car will automatically fail the OBD2 portion of an inspection. Reduced fuel economy, since the system isn't recovering fuel vapors to be burned in the engine, your fuel consumption can slightly increase. Rough idle or stalling, rare in some vehicles, a failed purge valve can introduce excess air into the engine and disrupt combustion. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the canister purge valve. The canister purge valve is usually located behind the intake right next to the throttle body. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve prior to filming. But you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running, and place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum suckage, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister purge valve off, and replace with the correct new one. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0442 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD2 scanner to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.